This is the brand new Paper Pure from reMarkable, not to be confused with their Paper Pro or Paper Pro Move. This is a brand new product in their lineup, and it's fully replacing reMarkable's old reMarkable 2, which is now discontinued. Now, this product literally was just announced as of the time of this recording. It's being shipped in about a month's time. And yes, I have ordered one, and I'll also be updating my reMarkable Mastery course, which you can get at the link down below and save 50% off of using my coupon code in the description. But this new product from reMarkable indicates a couple of key things that are interesting to note. All of the products in reMarkable's lineup are these reMarkable paper products. So the Paper Pure is the lowest end product, that traditional black and white only display. Then you have the Paper Pro Move, the more compact version of the Paper Pro, which I did a review of not that long ago. I will also leave that link down below if you want to check it out. And then at the high end, top of the spectrum, you have the reMarkable Paper Pro. Their color with front light, large format e-ink device. In terms of sizing, it's 8.9 inches by 7.4 inches in size, which is slightly larger than the old reMarkable 2, and it weighs a little bit less, actually, at only 360 grams versus 404 grams on the reMarkable 2. In terms of the display, the Paper Pure has a 10.3 inch display with a 4:3 aspect ratio, putting out 226 pixels per inch with an 1872 by 1404 resolution. It has 32 gigabytes of internal storage, a 3,820 milliamp hour battery, and all of the other same great peripherals and connectivity that is seen on the rest of the reMarkable lineup. And in terms of the actual look of the Paper Pure, it's very similar in terms of construction to the Paper Pro and Paper Pro Move. I think this design language is now where reMarkable is taking its entire lineup and where it will continue to go in future iterations of these products. Personally, I like the look of this because the styling of the Paper Pro was just so much nicer and much more high-end feeling and looking than what the reMarkable 2 had, so I think it's a step in the right direction. Another interesting thing that they've done with the design on this Paper Pure is they've made it easier to repair. This is the first time I'm seeing this on a reMarkable product, such a focus on repairability. I think this is really interesting. They're not doing this with any of the Paper Pro models like the Paper Pro or Paper Pro Move. And reMarkable is saying that the pen to ink distance with the new Paper Pure is down from that of the outgoing reMarkable 2, decreasing from 0.95 millimeters to 0.84 millimeters. I'll have to test this out and let you know if there's any noticeable differences between the actual products though. Now, pricing is where reMarkable has really started to differentiate this new Paper Pure from the rest of the lineup and also from that older reMarkable 2. And it signals to me that they're very much going for a volume mover product with this new addition to their lineup. The Paper Pure is only $629 Canadian starting. That's for the Paper Pure and the basic marker or pen or stylus. However, they have this incredible offer, which is the first I've ever seen with reMarkable, where they bundle the Paper Pure, a Marker Plus, the upgraded marker with the built-in eraser tip, and a folio case for just $6.99. So you're getting the better marker and a folio for just $70 more. This is incredible value, and interestingly enough, they're not doing it still at this time, even after the launch of the Paper Pure, with any of the other items in the lineup. On the Paper Pro Move or the full-blown Paper Pro, this bundle, adding the Marker Plus and a folio case from reMarkable, would run you close to $1,000 or over $1,000 Canadian. This is very, very attractive from a pricing perspective. And the new folio cases with the Paper Pure are also quite nice. They're sleeve folios, and there's even some added pockets on the inside for storing other things like business cards. They're very compact, very sleek, and I love the coloring. There's 3 new colors: mist green, desert pink, or ocean blue. I went with the ocean blue. Blue is my favorite color by far. I'm really excited to get my hands on this and see what it feels like in person. So it really looks like reMarkable is poised to have a super winner on their hands here with this new Paper Pure. It bests out the reMarkable 2 in every way. In terms of features and capabilities, there isn't much that really sets this Paper Pure apart from the reMarkable 2. So if you were already looking at a reMarkable 2, do your due diligence. It might still be worth buying for you. And again, I'm going to update my course, which breaks down all the reMarkable models in detail and gives you a highlight of which one is best suited for your needs once I get my hands on this new product and have had some time to try it out. Really, the big improvements are the new design, the improved battery for about an extra week of rated battery life, so reMarkable says, and the increase in storage from 8 gigabytes on the reMarkable 2 up to that 32 gigs of internal storage. So if you store a lot of stuff on device and you're not planning on going with the reMarkable cloud solution, which offloads some of that storage need, then that might also be something worth considering if you're in the market for one of these products. So all in all, I'm very excited to get my hands on this new Paper Pure reMarkable device and test it out, unbox, and start using it and give you my thoughts here as soon as possible. Like I said, it's shipping in about a month's time, so I should have my unit in mid-June, give or take. From everything I can see, first impressions look very, very positive from this new device. But as always, what do you guys think about reMarkable's new Paper Pure? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you want it? Are you going to put in a pre-order like I have? Or are you sticking with your reMarkable 2 or Paper Pro? Looking forward to hearing your thoughts as always down in the comments below. Again, if you want to purchase my reMarkable course and save 50% off just for the viewers of this video, click the first link down below to check that out and get your hands on it. It's got lifetime updates, so when I do add in my Paper Pure thoughts and input, that will be available to you for free at no extra charge. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you again soon in the next video.